Hello, dear children. See now, by looking at this picture, you must have felt tempting, correct? No? Yes, those chocolates, toffees. Our mouth starts watering by looking at this picture, isn't it? Correct? Yes. But what happens here is those things which we consume regularly, it can be the toffees, it can be the chocolates, it can be the jams, jellies, our clothes, our medicines, those mithais, sweets. These all contains a large quantity of food colors. It can the cake. Nowadays, cakes are made up of different varieties, isn't it? Or as well as the theme cakes are made. So all these have different types of colors, and these colors are not natural colors; they are synthetic colors, and those colors affect our health. Now what affect our health, that we have to see first, understand what these colors are and where they are actually used. They are not only used in the eatables or else in our toffees, candies, cakes, jam, jellies, pickles, chili powder, your Chinese, as well as these colors are used in the medicines and the tablets, which we could see the colorful things. Okay, and because of these colors, we are attracted towards all these things. So, some chemical substances which are used in our day to day life, they are usually the most large quantity is the food color. Okay, so food colors and essence which are used, it can be the soft drinks, the foodstuffs which are available in the market, and to attract the customers they use these different types of colors, but we don't think when they enter in our body what they will cause harm to our health. Okay, so they cause a lot of harm, and if you come to know, you will stop eating all such foodstuffs. Okay, so let's understand food colors. These are mixed in most of the soft drinks like your Pepsis, Thumbs Up, Coca Colas, or Mangolas. All these contains a large amount of color. Okay, some colors are natural, but some colors, most of this contains the synthetic colors which are not usually made from the natural substance but are made from different chemicals which are going to harm our body. Even though the chili powder, turmeric also contains some quantity of color to give them good attraction. See here, different like that, the things which are kept, these type of things which are kept in front of you, naturally you are going to go towards them and pick up and put it in your mouth. It can be the candies, jellies, okay, marshmallows, the jams, cakes, or ice creams, as well as different soft drinks, cold drinks, correct? See these food colors as well as essence which are used. Essence means which gives the smell, the flavor, the fragrance for the food. It can be the fragrance of pineapple, fragrance of orange. These are the fragrance. These are also synthetic. Some are natural, but some are synthetic. Okay, so you have to be careful in understanding as well as eating or consuming this type of food substances. Okay, see here the mithais or the sweets which are sold in the sweet shops, they have different looks, isn't it? So that they could attract the customer, they could sell all these things, but before that, those cookies are there, candies are there, some mithais are there, some cakes are there, they contain a lot amount of color. Okay, see here the different variety, very beautiful cake it is made up of, but behind that beauty you could see colors, and these colors are naturally not a natural color, but they are the synthetic color. So we have to stop eating all these foodstuffs. Okay, so naturally we are attracted towards and we become very happy when these type of foodstuffs are there in our plate. Okay, so instead of becoming happy, you have to think is its disadvantage, what it is going to cause when it enters your mouth. So artificial food colors or food dyes, these are originally made from coal tar, or artificial food dyes, they come from unrefined fuel from the petroleum. Okay, so potential danger of food dyes, what dangerous they are going to cause, you could see allergic reaction, can cause allergic reaction, allergies, different types of allergies, you know that. Okay, so either it can cause carcinogenic contaminants, they have carcinogenic contaminants, that means they can cause cancer in our body. Different types of cancers can be caused, like kidney, brain cancer, or you or the bladder. Tumor can be caused, tumor means the gut, the cyst of the cancer. So tumor of the immune system can be damaged, that is the blood cancer. Possible adrenal and testicular tumor is caused, adrenal gland is responsible for our emotions, and because of that our emotions are decided whether we become more angry, we are we are cool in our behavior, how our behavior is. All these things depends upon the adrenal gland, so it can change your behavior. This gland can change its secretion. Thyroid tumors are there, tumor means the cancer. Okay, inhibition of nerve cell development, genotoxicity, that is the toxicity of your gene, the gene which produce toxic substance. Hyperactivity in the children, nowadays you have seen children who are very hyperactive, very active children, but this is not the normal condition for the children, this is a defect. Okay, and that defect is called as ADHD, that is attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. That means these children have lack of attention, they cannot concentrate. Okay, as well as they cannot sit on one place to study, to learn something. So they continuously, these children keep on moving, and nowadays this hyperactivity is seen, or ADHD is seen in the children because of these colors which regularly they consume in their body. It can be with the help of food, it can be the toffees, chocolates, as well as the cakes or cold drinks, or hormone disruption. Hormones regulate our body condition, so if hormones are not in proper condition, or they will not able to regulate your body. So this way the artificial food dyes are going to cause harm. So danger of food dyes, that is the same thing what you have. Yellow color, some of those artificial colors are there which they have given here, blue, red, orange, or citrus red. These colors are used for different varieties of food substances. Okay, so what, that is the cancer. ADHD, that is attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, allergies, hypersensitivity, asthma, and hyperactivity. Harmful effects of artificial food colors. What are the harmful effects? Just now we have discussed. Then is the dye. Dyes, that means the colors which are used for our clothes as well as used for our no our hair, for your dress material, for the saris, for the salwars, shawls. So these also have adverse effect. Okay, so how they can be adverse effect, they can cause allergic condition to our body, they can cause some fungal disorder or fungal diseases. So plants which are the main source of color for preparing a natural dye, natural dye can be made for coloring the clothes also. The silk is been colored with the help of natural dye, so it is very costly. So what natural dye can be used for coloring the clothes? These are the roots, leaves, flowers, bark of the tree, the fruits, seeds, fungus, and pistil, that is the anther which comes out from the flower. These are used in making the dyes. As well as in Kashmir there is a saffron, that is kesar, it is also used for making dye. But the saris and shawls which are being used by the natural dyes or colored by the natural dyes, these are very costly, or either they are being colored by the saffron, these are very costly. And to give them different, or to fix this color, there is a fixer which is being used to fix the color on that clothes. So dyes are used to either, they are also used to polish other substances like your purse, your shoes, or chappals. Okay, artificial dyes are also used. So here this is that we will talk about afterwards. Sear dyes are you also used for the hair color, also coloring the hair. These also has adverse effect. As well as dyes are used for production of cosmetics like the face pack, creams, face wash, soap, as well as the lipsticks. So all these things damages our skin texture, as well as hair dyes also damages our hair, and hair fall also occurs. So all these things have the adverse effect. Lipsticks which have carcinogenic, no carmine, it doesn't affect the lips, but when it enters our body, it affects our stomach, so it can cause stomach disorder. You can see here the holy color, this is a dye, artificial color which is being used for rang panchami, correct, for decorating. As well as some of the dyes are used for decorating the houses also. This color is used for coloring the skin for holi and all, correct. But actually holi is played with a natural color which is useful for the skin, not with the artificial color. So this can block your skin and cause the allergic condition. You can see the pigmentation of the skin. Okay, dead cells are accumulated on the skin. So these dead cells are the allergic condition. They have finished the life cycle within short period, because of use of this, either the cosmetics or the artificial color. Next are the things like the deodorants, body, for giving out the body odor which is been caused by bacterial decomposition of sweat. This body odor we can prevent the odor of the body, that is the bad smell which is coming out from the body because of bacterial decomposition on our sweat. That bad smell can be removed out with the help of deodorant, and we can remain fresh for longer time. Now, but these deodorants are used by the school children also in large scale, as well as adolescent, that is the children who have come, that is the teenagers. So this deodorant, it contains parabens. Parabens means it contains methyl, ethyl, propyl, benzyl and butyl, as well as large quantity of alcohol. Deodorants are of different types. Ordinary deodorant is there, antiperspirant deodorant is there, clinical deodorant is there. So all these deodorant contain some or the large quantities of aluminum in them, as well as aluminum chlorohydrate in them. So it causes harm to the skin, as well as it clogs your sweat pores. Okay, and it is not at all good to be kept for the longer time on your skin. So the aluminum and the zirconium which is being used in this deodorant, these compounds are very harmful. They can cause headache, they can cause asthma, some disorders of respiratory system. They can also cause heart diseases, as well as they can cause skin cancer. Okay, next is the Teflon, which we use for either cooking, as well as your vehicles are being coated with the help of Teflon. This is the tetrafluoroethylene, polymer of tetrafluoroethylene. Okay, so this formula, it is C2F4N times. So it is a chemical name of Teflon. You must have heard this in advertise also, television they show this type of utensils we use for cooking, which you can be consume. It uses, or either it requires less quantity of oil, or either no oil. So these Teflon coated articles are there which do not attract any of the thing or any of the eatable, or those eatables are settled on it, so they can avoid those who require less amount of oil to be, they use this type of Teflon coated articles. These Teflon coated articles are poor conductor of electricity, but they are good conductor of heat. Okay, so it is used for making non-stick kitchenware. Non-stick means those things, eatables or food preparations which we are preparing in this type of utensils, they do not stick on them, as well as they require less quantity of oil. As well as the color sheets of two wheelers or four wheelers, the metal body is also coated with the Teflon, so that it doesn't have any effect of high temperature and rain. Okay, so all those things are coated, but even though all those things can enter our body through food substances. Okay, this non-stick is there, after some days you will find this coating has been removed out from it, or either it must have entered through the food in our body. So all these things what we are using in our day to day life are very very harmful. So you have to be careful in using the things which are, they give a lot comfort, as well as, but they harm our immune system as well as our healthy condition. Okay, take care and read your lesson.